Okay, we're going to set up guides in Photoshop. So I'm going to go up to File, New, and I'm just going to use this 8.5 by 11, everything how it's set up right here. It does help to have some kind of background color other than it being transparent, just so you can kind of see where the guides are. When it's not transparent, it's like that checkered background, gray and white. So I'm just going to hit, make sure this is on white, and hit create. And there's a few ways to do this. The first one is you can always um, eyeball it, or we can get more precise. The first thing that you want to do is make sure that your rulers are visible. Right now, I can see them. If you don't see them, it's down here in view, rulers. If that's not checked, you won't see them. So come down, rulers, check. Here we go. To eyeball it, you just click and drag like this, and you can kind of figure out where that is. You can see there's an x-axis there, and it's giving you some measurements. If you hold shift and do this, it goes in increments of quarter inch. So you can do that. What I'm going to do is something a little bit different, where you come into view, there's a new guide layout like this. And this actually works for what's called Bootstrap. It's a type of web design language. But so here's what we're going to do. We got a new grid layout. Everything's kind of spaced out. Let's say if we just want 3 column, I got 3. And I'm going to click on rows. And let's say I'm going to do 3 rows. And similar to InDesign, I've got a gutter. So that's that space in between. The InDesign was like 1 point or 0.16 is the default. Doesn't look like you can do that in Photoshop. That's new to me. Anyways, so here we go. We got guides here. You can use this to set up a lot of things, whether it's with your photos, your posters, also doing stuff with the web. Anyways, it's nice because these things are invisible. They never show up anywhere other than in the PSD file. The other way you can do, I showed you a manual way. That second one is by far the easiest way. Or doing a new guide, you can actually put in a measurement. So if I wanted it at 2.6 and clicked OK, it's going to show up there. So if you want to do more customized guides, if you ever feel that it's helpful for you, that's another way to do it. So that is guides in Photoshop.